Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This is LG Soundbar US20A, a 2.0 channel, 50 watts audio power. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this gear to your TV via HDMI ARC. Go to the back of the soundbar and connect it to HDMI TV ARC. Connect it to this port. And it's in. Take the other end of the cable, so connect it to HDMI into ARC. So this port, HDMI into ARC. The next thing to do is you need to switch the soundbar on, then select this button to select ARC. USB. ARC. Then the next thing to do is switch your TV on. So go to your TV settings. Go to the TV settings. If you scroll down to sound out, the sound out is showing us TV speaker. I need to select on the sound out. Then scroll to HDMI ARC. HDMI ARC device, select on it. So this is connected. You can select any program you want to watch. So I want us to go to YouTube, then select YouTube, scroll down to YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the audio. 6550i. It's a multifunctional print.
AI Sound Pro.
AI Sound Pro. Scan. What I want to do is to show you how Cinema. This printer to your computer. First of all, you need to make standard are connected together via Wi-Fi network. Game cable. We connected both via wireless network and this
AI Sound Pro.
So I will leave it showing us online. So I want to show you. I will leave it on AI Sound Pro. Scan document with this printer. Open the paper cover. Stick the document you want to scan. If you go to the TV settings, make sure the document starts from the top left. Scroll down to sound out. This is A4 paper. The first option we want to and if you look on the sound mode, it's showing us AI Sound Pro. Go to laptop start. So if you go to the sound mode, it's showing us AI sound. So you can scroll to the right to select standard, or scroll again, it will show you cinema. Scroll again, it will show you game optimizer. So these are features you can also select. So the information, the preset mode, like AI sound mode. So it's gone back to AI sound. It's gone back to standard. It's gone back to cinema. It's gone back to game optimizer. So these are features. You can also select this on your remote or select it from the TV remote. So once this is connected, you can control the volume using the soundbar remote control. So this is how to connect this to TV via HDMI. And if you scroll down to sound out, the sound out is showing us HDMI ARC device. This is how to connect this gear to your TV via HDMI ARC device. Then select view. You can see HDMI ARC device. To see the document. Thank you very much indeed. The TV is LG and the soundbar is LG. And we show you the sound mode for you to select the specific one. You can also select the sound mode using the remote control. So it's currently in AI sound mode.